Now we're going to do a quick demonstration on shooting the multi-caliber pistol. We're going to start out shooting 45 ACP, and after we expend the mag through that, we're going to stop. We're going to change out to 9mm, do a really quick change within 30 seconds or less. Starting out with 45. Make sure the gun isn't loaded in any capacity. Always pointing down range. Change out the 45 upper and apply the 9mm upper to the frame and use the 9mm slide stop. It's that simple.